Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Cabela's Deluxe 10 Tray Dial Dehydrator, and we are also going to be looking at the Cabela's Jerky Blaster. The Jerky Blaster comes in two sizes. This is the 15-inch. It also comes in a 9-inch. And we're going to attempt to make jerky. This is the High Mountain Jerky Cure and Seasoning. This specific packet comes in 5 blends. The original blend, the mesquite blend, hickory, cracked pepper and garlic, and Cajun. The Cabela's Dehydrator normally sells for about $149. But my brother Gary found it on sale for $100. The Cabela's Jerky Blaster, the 9-inch, comes for $39.99, and the 15-inch normally sells for $49.99. The main difference between the two jerky pistols is the 9-inch can handle 1 pound of meat, and the 15-inch can handle 1.5 pounds of meat. The jerky pistol comes with four different heads on it, so you can do a snack stick style jerky. Those are the round snack sticks. You can either do a single snack stick, a double snack stick, the more traditional flat jerky once it's ground up, and that can be done in a single style, or it can be done in a double style. It also comes with a funnel to load the meat and a stomper to make sure that it's packed correctly. And it also comes with a 2-piece cleaning brush for easy cleanup. Alright, so let's unbox. Comes with the drip tray and the 10 jerky trays. Drip tray fits right in the bottom, and of course all of these trays, all 10 of them, fit inside the unit itself. And so you have your on-off switch here, and then you have your temperature gauge here, which goes from 80 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to show you the back of the unit. It's really light. It moves around really easy. It's really solid. And here's the back of the unit, and they allow you to wrap the cord for safe, easy storage. Now we're going to look at the Cabela's Jerky Blaster 15-inch gun. here's all of the parts for the jerky gun. You have the jerky tube, the locking ring nut, and then you have all of these different attachments. You have the double jerky strip, you have the single jerky strip, the double snack stick nozzle, and the single snack stick nozzle. Here you have your filling cup attachment and the stomper to make sure that once the meat is in the tube, to make sure that it's packed nice and tight. And these are your cleaning brushes and your gaskets. It seems to be very well made, hard plastic. It works pretty much just like a caulk gun. So I'm going to set it up with the single jerky attachment. Take your gasket, make sure that it fits snug, and it works exactly like a caulk gun. So when you're ready, you're going to take whatever attachment that you want. Take your filler, put your meat in, make sure that it's tamped down real tight. And I found that if you have this plunger slightly exposed, that helps because it fits in there real snug, and you're just going to place it in there so it's nice and tight, and it screws right on. Make sure that it's tight, make sure that that's the correct direction, and it works exactly like a caulk gun. And that's pretty much it, guys. Seems like it's very well made. This unit, just like the dehydrator though, is not dishwasher safe. So any items that you use, you will need to clean by hand. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be up to date on all of our upcoming videos.